Surgery is perfect.
Great.
Excellent.
Great.
Randall's eye surgeon is Nashville ophthalmologist Dr. Ming Wang. He's one of 3 doctors in the country selected by the FDA to do clinical trials on a new procedure called SSP. Marla's a believer too.
Actually, yesterday morning I opened my Bible to read, and for the first time I was sitting there reading and it was perfectly clear. So that was very exciting.
And very free, because the FDA requires Dr. Wang to perform the procedure on up to 70 patients before giving its approval. So far, only a dozen or so have had it done. And Dr. Wang hopes Mid-Southerners will have the vision to try for one of the dozens of free slots still available.
I think it's important for the viewers in Tennessee or Memphis or the parts to realize what a great opportunity to be this close to Nashville. You know, there's only 3 centers, and to take advantage of it.
Because the way Dr. Wang sees it,
this is a breakthrough medical procedure.
Dr. Wang does cataract and LASIK surgeries all the time for conditions like astigmatisms as well as near and farsightedness. But he says a surgery for presbyopia or age-related sight loss is a new frontier, not just for eye doctors, but for all of medicine.
Even though medicine has been able to treat various different human diseases, such as diabetes and hypertension, we're yet to have a technology and treatment to stop or reverse aging.
Which is what Dr. Wang says his outpatient procedure does. Here's how it works. 4 plastic segments, the size of a grain of rice, are inserted in sclera, or the white of the eye. They act like little space expanders, giving your lenses, which change shape as we age, the room they need to focus. Dr. Wang says the so-called sclera spacing procedure rewinds patients' eyesight to where it was 20 to 25 years ago.
It's the embodiment of 21st century medicine.
The patients who've tried it so far are sold.
I went back to work on Monday, like 2 days later, so I mean, I didn't miss a beat.
I didn't have to be that brave. It wasn't something that had never been done.
That's true. Dr. Wang has performed the SSP on countless people in other countries, but winning U.S. approval is more tightly controlled, which is why he needs patience. Before you call him to get screened, you need to know the FDA requires you to meet these. You must be between 50 and 60 years of age. You must not have had eye surgery before, and you must not have any other distance-related conditions, such as astigmatism, nearsightedness, or farsightedness. And of course, having transportation to get back and forth to Nashville is going to be a must as well. Like I said, right now it's free, but when the trials are over, Dr. Wang, who is also an associate professor at the UT Memphis Medical School, by the way, estimates the procedure will cost up to $10,000. So go to WREG.com to see this story again and for the link to Dr. Wang's website to enroll in this potentially free procedure for you.
Fascinating. Fascinating, and I'm intrigued.
You might qualify.
I just might if I were 50 years old.
Oh, yeah. You have to be between 50 and 60.
Shut up.
Trouble swallowing something.